Sales are down. Pricing is softening. Inventory is building. The market feels suspended, like time is stretching, waiting for someone to make that next move. So here's the question, the real question. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Fraser Valley, is this the moment you've been waiting for? For buyers, maybe it is, with more choice, fewer, if any, bidding wars, and space to breathe. For sellers, this is not the frenzied market we saw in 21-22, but the right pricing and strategy can still put you in that very strong position. Let's take a look at the June numbers, unpack what they really mean for you, and decide where you're going to go with this. Hey there, it's Andy Schildhorn, McDonald Realty, your Langley and Fraser Valley real estate advisor. Each and every month, I break down the local market statistics so that you can make informed, confident real estate decisions. Whether you're buying, whether you're selling, or whether you're just keeping an eye on the market trends, this is for you. So let's get into it and look at price movement and market shifts. The Fraser Valley composite benchmark price as of June 2025 sits at $951,500. That's a 1.2% drop from the previous month and a 4.3% decline compared to this time last year. Looking at the chart, you can see the dramatic rise through 2021 and 2022, followed by the peak and the correction that we're seeing now. The key takeaway? We're not seeing panic. However, we are seeing a recalibration. Now let's break it down by property type. Detached homes peaked at around $1,765,600 in early 2022. Today, it settled in at $1,458,600, marking a 7.4% drop from that peak. Townhomes have dropped from their high of nearly $928,400 to $824,400, a drop of 11.2% in price. Apartments are down from their peak of $582,200, now sitting at $526,500, representing a 9.6% decrease in value. In all three categories, we're seeing a meaningful correction and more favorable conditions for buyers. Let's talk about the sales to active listings ratio, a key indicator of where we are and what kind of market we're in. We're currently sitting at 11%, which puts us firmly in buyer's market territory. These numbers matter. A balanced market is between 12 and 20%. Above that, sellers, they have the upper hand. Below that, buyers are in control. We haven't seen ratios like this low since 2008 and 2009. And back in 2021-22, that ratio, it spiked up to 70% during the peak frenzy when the market was just totally crazy. That shift in power marks a big difference in how you approach your next move. June activity. What's happening now? We saw 1,195 sales in just 1% up from May, but still 33% below the 10-year average and 9.3% lower than June of 2024. Meanwhile, active listings approached 11,000 homes for sale. That's 30% higher than this time last year. However, new listings actually dropped 10% from May, which suggests that homes are lingering a little bit longer on the market. However, sellers aren't rushing in to sell unless they have to. Let's put this all together with a snapshot of the June market. Detached home price HPI is $1,458,600, 35 days on market, 11% sales to active ratio. Townhomes are sitting at $824,400, 30 days on market, 17% sales to active ratio. Apartments are coming in at $526,500, 39 days on market, 13% sales to active listing ratio. Across the board, prices are soft, homes are taking longer to sell, and buyers again are holding the advantage. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're buying, especially for the first time, you've heard me say this before. And yes, I know I sound like a broken record, but this market really is leaning in your favor. You've got options, you've got time, you've got some really great negotiating power. That uncertainty that we're seeing that's holding others back might be your biggest advantage. If you're selling, well, success comes down to strategy, pricing it right, presenting it well, clear marketing, and having a clear and professional plan. This market rewards preparation, punishes guesswork. Things may still feel uncertain, but the picture is starting to come into focus. The lines are sharper, the pace more measured, and that clarity, that sense of control, is what gives both buyers and sellers an opportunity right now. All right, that's your June market snapshot. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Are you considering buying your first home or feeling maybe a little bit nervous about selling your home? Drop a comment below and let me know where you're at. I'd love to hear from both buyers and from sellers. When you're ready to talk, through to your next move, book a time that works for you using that link in the description below. And if you'd like to delve deeper into the numbers, I've linked the full market breakdown for June in the comments. Don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a market update or a real estate tip. Thanks for me. That's all for now. I just want to say in closing, thanks for dropping by. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.